In just 2 steps, you can use AirPods as a microphone on a MacBook or any Mac. The first step is to turn off automatic ear detection, then use Set Microphone Settings for AirPods. Here I am, connecting my AirPods to my Mac first. Under the Bluetooth settings on the Mac, click on the Apple logo from the top left corner. Select System Settings. Select Bluetooth from the left side of the window and find the AirPods name and tap on it to connect. Once you're connected, tap on the I button next to the AirPods Pro name. On the AirPods settings window, click on AirPods Pro Settings. Scroll and find the automatic ear detection toggle and turn it off. That means your AirPods will not disconnect automatically when you hold them in your hand to use as a microphone. Now, the second step is setting up the microphone on the left or right AirPods. The Automatic Switch AirPods option uses one of the AirPods mics, whichever started being used first, either left or right. I am selecting left AirPods for the microphone. If you wish to use the right AirPods mic, then select right from the settings before starting to record audio using AirPods. Ensure that your AirPods are selected as the input device under the sound settings. As you can see, my AirPods are connected with the MacBook, but not set as an input device. Select AirPods as input from the list. That's it! If you have any question, then comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.